So you have one in the furnace and attic, you have one in the stove top by the stove, electric top, and then you have one on the gas meter itself. So if there's ever any gas that you guys smell or anything, or
The little orange thing?
yep, this little corner switch is it's a quarter turn, so you can turn it a quarter and it should gas. So if you're ever in the kitchen, you smell gas, check the stove, ever in the garage, check here, if you're ever outside, you smell gas through the lawn or something, check the gas meter. And turn that off. So for paying for the gas for inside the home, if you think something's happening on the inside of the home, there's a shut off back here for it to go inside the home. So if you wanted to shut off here into the rest of the home, you can. From here, it just shuts off the gas in the tank. So really know what you think. You really need to work out.
All right, guys, happy Friday. Happy Friday. Hope y'all are doing well, guys. Hope y'all are doing well, guys. It is orientation day with the builder, with my clients. They're getting ready to take possession of this one next week. And so orientation day is an important step in the home buying process. That is when you homeowners learn how their home operates, so that when they take possession, they know how to care for it. So these professionals go through all of the major systems of your home. We'll also be going through a blue tape. We'll have a blue tape party. We call them a blue tape party. That's when we'll be noting any deficiencies that the builder may have, so that they can take care of them before closing. But this is a lovely 4-bedroom, 3-home flat over in Ellis County. It's a really lovely, lovely, lovely floor plan. I'm gonna give y'all a tour while they're working out. I'm gonna take my boots off today, guys. I just feel like they might be a little bit dirty. Trying to wear my white boots the last few days before these fashionistas come out. All right, but really great floor plan as you enter. You're in this great hallway. Right, this one has a separate suite over here. It's called like a mother-in-law suite. Notice it has its own entry. Super, super sweet if you have an adult. They're empty nesters and they're not gonna have it for that. They're doing it for other purposes, but really great floor plan because the person over here, they have their own living area. Right, really good living area. And one of the best features about this suite is it has its own AC system. This is what the builder was just explaining a minute ago. So, you know, the owner's retreat has one and then this area has one. So they can both, you know, have separate systems, you know, separate. All right, here's the bathroom for this one. Remember, guys, this home has 4 baths. 4 bedrooms and 3 baths. So here's the bath for this suite. It has a great walk-in shower. This will be really good for elderly, right? Oftentimes our parents, the baby boomers, they prefer a walk-in shower. You know, it's, you know, good for, being proactive. Right, it has a great linen closet over here. Oops, no, coat closet. So that has a separate coat closet for storage. And then it has a bedroom. All right, great bedroom. So you can put your adult parent over here on this side. They have their own walk-in closet. This is the living area. Right, here's the owner's retreat here. Notice it has its own thermostat in here. Right, we're still waiting on the shower door. Right, his and hers for the couple. Right? They really wanted, this builder allows you to do tubs, but they were not interested in a tub. They're empty nesters, and their biggest concern was having a shower with a bench. Right? So they wanted a really nice bench. They omitted the tub. Tubs are sometimes not as convenient as we age, and it's just preferences, right? That's the beauty of building your home. You get exactly what you want. And that's what they did. So here's the owner's retreat. And guys, remember, we still have 2 bedrooms and a bath. So it's over here.
All the cabinets should have soft closing. Should soft close like that.
All right, so here is the 3rd bedroom. Great walk-in closet. Super sweet. And then it has a bath in between. So this is bath number 3. They're still waiting on mirrors as well. Okay. And then bedroom number 4. Isn't it a great? So actually it's a 4-bedroom, 3-bath with 2 living areas. 2 living areas. Okay. Give my clients a little privacy. They don't want y'all to see them. They're some of DFW's finest. But again, I just wanted to show y'all a little bit of this journey. But we're going to be here about an hour. We're getting ready to have our blue tape party. I'll be helping them to find deficiencies. Oh, they redid the porch. Oh, they power washed it. Looks good. Oh, they power washed it. They just had the grass freshly cut. Your grass took really well. It's, what do you call this? Bermuda, St. Augustine. What is it, Paula? I forget. But it came out beautifully. The builder's been watering it. They just had a fresh cut, so it's ready for possession. I'm not going to walk down there. But this awesome covered patio bricked in is really cute. Right, they'll have shade underneath this big covering. Let's see if I can show y'all some of this kitchen. Or not.
What's nice about these blinds is that they don't have the string, so there's no choke.